I know what it tastes like to fear your words being suited in a costume that look less homely in your hopeful and hanging head. Others using Elmer's glue to adhere to you a false identity because in their lower view and limited perspective, they enjoy running with the costumes they created, obliterating your essence. I know what it tastes like to envy and mimic butter, to feel like striding into foreign spaces with pride is foreign. Am I boring? My tongue, on the other hand, can't stand that glide, that slip, that slide, and stutter when I utter makes me taste that taste more. I know what it tastes like to desire, yet also detest intimacy with doors, especially in public. I can feel my thoughts in my stomach. I know what it tastes like to feel the pressure from tallying imaginary social scores, to feel like simply being yourself is a chore, contemplating what role to endure, and to feel like feeling is something to abhor for their reasons and your own. I know what it tastes like to have the crashing realization that you aren't your own, yet you are owned by created and absorbed identities, and the taste of getting no sympathy for being late to your true being and not seeing in relevant dimensions, not to mention the rather ludicrous idea you had that self-fidelity and fulfillment can be fulfilled via external pensions. You'll never retire from the agony and chase of aiming to be a universal ace if you never invest in facing the face under your imposed, posing plastic skin. Let oxygen in, no matter how heavy or light the breaths. Let them hear your pants and sighs. You can't be your own, breathing mostly carbon dioxide.